creating a bird-friendly environment designed for life. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to dive into an incredibly interesting and important topic: bird-friendly design. This concept is not only about architecture but also about how we can coexist harmoniously with nature, especially our feathered friends. So, whether you're a language learner looking to expand your vocabulary or someone interested in environmental conservation, this video is for you. Bird-friendly design refers to building and landscaping practices that consider the well-being and safety of birds. It's a thoughtful approach to minimize the negative impacts of human structures on birds, primarily focusing on preventing bird collisions with buildings and preserving their natural habitats. Key elements include using materials that birds can see and avoid, creating safe pathways for flight, and ensuring their natural behaviors are not disrupted by our urban environments. You might wonder, why all this fuss about birds? Birds play a crucial role in our ecosystems. They control pests, pollinate plants, and disperse seeds, helping to maintain the balance of nature. However, modern buildings, especially those with large glass surfaces, pose a significant threat to birds, leading to millions of fatal collisions every year. By adopting bird-friendly designs, we not only protect these essential creatures but also contribute to biodiversity and environmental sustainability. Implementing bird-friendly design involves several key principles. Visibility, using materials and patterns that make windows and glass more visible to birds, preventing collisions. Shielding light, minimizing light pollution that can disorient migratory birds by using downward-facing, shielded lighting. Creating habitats, integrating green spaces, gardens, and birdhouses to provide shelter and food sources. Building placement, considering the location and layout of buildings to avoid disrupting migration routes and local ecosystems. Wondering how you can contribute? It's not just for architects and city planners. Individuals can make a difference by applying decals or films to existing windows to make them more visible to birds, turning off unnecessary lights during migration seasons to prevent disorientation, planting native plants in gardens or balconies to offer food and shelter, supporting policies and initiatives that promote wildlife conservation and bird-friendly urban planning. We hope this video has shed some light on the concept of bird-friendly design and its importance. It's a fantastic example of how human innovation can align with nature's needs, ensuring that our progress does not come at the expense of our planet's biodiversity. Remember, every small action counts in making our world a safer place for birds. Thank you for watching, and let's make our environments welcoming for all creatures, winged or otherwise.